Hello viewer, how are you? I hope well. So today I will show you 34 size pants pattern make. Depends on waist measurement. Medium pitch waist 34, hip 6 inch bigger than waist, length 38, waist 34, hip 40 inch, thigh cross length. We will find after video making. Leg opening 60, knee also we will find after make video. Like, share, comment, subscribe my channel, click bell icon for next. Let's go start. Pattern draft waistline. Cross height hip 40 divided by 4, 10 inch is cross height including waistband. Thigh line. Now front thigh hip 40 divided by 3, 1338. Front thigh. Now front cross width. How to we find front cross width? Working scale divided by 8, 2/4 less 1 cm, 178 front cross width. Front body rise line, hip position. How do we find hip position? Hip 40 divided by 12, 338 hip position. Up from cross line, hip line, half inch in mark. For body, front rise line slanted. Front frog line cut. Front body waist 34 divided by 4, 8.5 inch, 1 inch seam 9.5. Front body hip line. Pant crease line. Three-quarter inch down, front body rise, waistline, body front rise, front hip line, high, half inch seam, pant body length, including waistband, 1.5 inch, length 38, half inch plus 1.5 inch seam. Pant bottom line. Now new position, middle of cross and bottom opening 28 divided by 2, 14, 2 inch length 12 inch. From cross line, knee line, leg opening 16 divided by 8 inch. Front side line, front inseam line, from inseam line, knee to leg opening, front part drafting finish, front pocket opening 1.5 inch at waist seam area, 6.5 inch at side seam, front pocket opening, line cutting. Now back part, back hip line, back bottom line, same as a front, 1.5 inch I adding for back inseam. Back part, here also I added 1.5 inch for back part, back inseam line. Back cross width working scale divided by 8. Back cross width 258 inch I added from front cross width 1.5 inch I added, and back body rise line half inch down, back cross line from front cross line. Back inseam line, back waistline, half inch in mark for seam allowance, half inch seam margin, waist 34 divided by 4, 8.5 inch, 1 inch back waist dart, half inch seam at 10.5 inch. Back side seam line at hip. Now back frog line, back thigh line, back waist dart 10.5 inch divided by 2, 5/4, 2.5 inch below. Back pocket position from waistline. Back pocket opening 5.5 inch. Back pocket welt height half inch. Back waist dart seam line. One and a half inch extension at back rise. Half inch seam at back body rise. Back part drafting finish. Now cutting. Pant pattern, back front, drafting finish. Now final measurement 8.5 front waist, 17 quarter into 2, 34 half inch plus cross length, pant body cross length, front waistband 1.5 inch, back waistband 1.5, two side waistband total 3 inch, front body cross line including back front waistband 28 inch, back cross pant body cross length 41 inch plus front thigh 12 quarter, front thigh 12, total thigh including front thigh 27, 8.5 inch, front knee 18.5 inch, total knee. Seven front knee, 7 front leg opening, 16 inch leg opening. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe my channel, click bell icon for next